Everyone, a very warm welcome to my new channel, that is Easy Biology. As you are aware that many of students in our India as well as in the world are afraid of this subject. But please trust me, there is no thing to worry about this because it is a very easy subject. Okay, very easy subject. So if you take an interest, if you take an encourage in this subject, if you love this subject, the same energy will bounce back to you. I mean, biology also love you very much. And that bond will help you to understand all the concept of the biology properly. Okay, however, today I am going to discuss an amazing part of the human body, that is human heart. This video will be very helpful for you to understand all the functions and the shape of the heart properly. Okay, so please stay on the video with the full episode, and please do not, and this is my request to you, please do not skip video under any circumstance, because every moment of this video will be very helpful for you, especially to understand the functions of the heart. So let's start the video. Guys, so here you look a simple diagram of our heart. Okay, so I'm not drawing any type of 3D diagram of the heart because it is not possible by hand. Okay, so I am drawing just a diagram to understand all the functions of the heart, and okay, so let's back to our discussions. Let's back to our point. You see, a normal heart has 4 chambers, that is right atrium, this is right ventricle, this is left atrium, and this is left ventricle. And here's the 4 chambers of the heart. The 2 chambers of the heart is divided or separated by 2 type of valve here. Okay, the tricuspid valve is situated between the right atrium and the right ventricle, and on the other hand the bicuspid valve is situated between the left atrium and the left ventricle. So guys, you have to understand the mechanism of flow of the blood is through the heart. Okay, so here you see, first the all type of deoxygenated blood after the respiration, okay, that enters in the right atrium. Please understand properly. Okay, all type of blood first flow into the right atrium, and that's why when the chamber is full of blood, then it time to contracts or release the blood into the right ventricle. I mean here. And when this phenomenon happen, this tricuspid valve opens. Okay, this tricuspid valve opens and the blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricle easily. And you know that the function of the ventricle is that to flow up the blood in one direction, and it will never possible to flow up blood from the right ventricle to the right atrium. Okay, so when the blood is now in right ventricle, it will start, okay, it will start to go from here. There is a there is a way that is called as pulmonary artery, is direct to the lungs. Just let us know that here is lungs. Please assume this, that here is lungs, and this blood is direct to the pulmonary vein to the lungs. When we breathe, the all oxygens of the lungs help the blood to make completely oxygenated, and this from lungs, this blood enters the left atrium through the pulmonary vein. Okay, so this is pulmonary artery, and this is pulmonary vein. Okay guys, so blood has flowed here in the left atrium. Now what will happen? Now you see here the bicuspid valve will open. The bicuspid valve will open, and the blood from the left atrium, it will come down to the left ventricle. And here also bicuspid valve will prevent the backflow of the blood from the left ventricle to the left atrium. So it is the main function of the valve, as I already told you guys. So here, when this here the blood is totally oxygenated, okay, and this oxygenated blood will flow till in the here, see the diagram properly, in the aorta. Here is assume that here aorta, and the blood will flow through the aorta to the whole of the body, whole of the body. Okay, and here you can see superior vena cava here. Okay, like this is a superior vena cava, and this is inferior vena cava. The upper part of the head that is contain deoxygenated blood is flowed directly to the right atrium to this, superior vena cava, and the lower part, below our head, that is all deoxygenated blood contains through the inferior vena cava. Okay, however, this oxygenated blood carry all the all the parts of our body and functions all the physiological functions of our body properly. And after this, the cycle, this what I will say that after all the physiological functions of our body contained by the oxygenated this blood, the heart again starts this cycle. Okay, so this way our blood circulations happening in our human body, that is so interesting. And this is totally, and I am very thankful to God that it has helped us to give a extremely proper functioning and the very fine structure of our heart to carry this blood. Guys, I hope that you have understood the concepts of the heart, and I think it will be very helpful for you. And this is a request from me to you that if this video is very helpful, and if you like this and if you benefited from this video's information, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please like and share my video, because your like, your subscriptions, and just like ATP and adenosine triphosphate and the energy results for me to make and more interesting video for you. Okay, thank you once again. Goodbye.